Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are at Universal Studios Hollywood for the Pass Member Takeover. The event starts at 8 o'clock. It's a little after 7 right now. Pass Member Takeover the whole park. There's special beverages. There is a lounge downstairs. All the rides are open. A lot of fun. We did this a couple years ago when they did it, and we had a really good time. So let's head into the park.
Let's go.
And that June gloom is coming in, right?
Oh yeah, looks pretty.
We call it the marine layer is what that is.
When you're by the shoreline, it's the marine
Well, the marine layer comes into at least the valley, and then it like stops at the mountain. Yeah. We have track for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. Look at that. We're going to go around the backside, see if we can see from the other side from the overlook, but this is exciting. Very, very exciting.
Oh, that was awful. Feel the time on.
The Fast and Furious coaster opens in 2026, which seems like a long time for now, but I'll still be paying off tonight's dinner that I charged in 2026. Our first Halloween Horror Nights update takes us here to the location last year of Monstrose. What do you think this is going to be this year? Comment below if you have any idea what this could possibly be. Our next update takes us down here next to the Mummy. Again, we have no idea what this is going to be. Comment if you have some ideas. And just beyond that, something will be being built inside of stage 15, which we can't see. But then back here, we have another house being built. We're talking houses for 2024. I think there's definitely going to be Five Nights at Freddy's for sure. Silent Hill has been being floated around. What else? Oh, Imaginary. What else? For sure, those are probably 3. I just bumped into a couple of our viewers. Susan, thank you so much for saying hello. We bumped into Michelle. And Michelle, you are rocking that hat.
I love it.
You should definitely get that.
I think it's perfect on me.
That is, you know what? Here's a look at the current wait times. Mario Kart is 20. Michelle just went on and single rode it, so she should be off in a few minutes. Just waiting for the DJ to start here on the lower lot. We're just talking about how I can never remember anything when it's told to me, but you can't be this good looking and that smart.
Y'all ready to have a good time tonight? That's what I'm talking about, season pass holders. Look, we have so many fun events, and just my word, I may have some priority fast lane passes to give out later today. Just saying, if you stick with me in the Sprite Chill Lounge, play Jenga, play chess, grab you a free Sprite Chill.
This event tonight is brought to you by Sprite Chill. While it is sponsoring the event, it does not sponsor this channel, so make sure you hit the like button, smash that like button. So it is a cherry lime Sprite. So we're all going to try it at the same time together. Ready?
Okay. He'll be serving you guys all night, and he is literally the nicest person.
Oh, that's the best soda
I
ever.
remember him this far. He's so nice.
Actually, it's not.
That shit's good, yeah.
It's a little sweet.
This is
Yes.
good. All right,
Yeah,
we've got a
he's
line of
totally
people
not
wanting a
sweet.
photo here, so let's. People don't know that I can't be quiet, so this whole silent disco thing does not work for me. You got the best of my love. Whoa.
Keep it shut.
Down, do your thing. Huh?
Go do the shuffle.
Down, do your thing. To the long time.
I don't have mine on.
To the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. You keep on, keep now, keep on, keep on. Now, down, do
You don't even know this dance, do you?
right, to the right, to the right, to the right, left, to the left, to the left, to the left. One more time. This is from my Scottsdale clubbing days when I worked in radio. Yeah. Now we're heading to Mel's to get a apple pie milkshake. Then we're going on the tram tour. And I told Michelle that I can't really have that much ice cream, so probably somewhere around Jaws. From Mel's, one thing we did not try on our food tour of the 60th anniversary limited time items was this apple pie shake. And I've been wanting to look at that. It's vanilla ice cream, apple pie drizzle, caramel, and a little mini apple pie stuck in there. Oh, whoa. That tastes just like apple pie. That is a must. Oh, we got mine for the studio tour, but it was an hour and it was just not moving at all. So we're gonna go do some other rides. You can't really see, but there is a DJ up there above the Quickie Mart. It's kind of behind the sign. Don't forget to ride the Silly Swirly. At night, the view is really cool. You can see the entire valley. That is it here from Universal Studios Hollywood for the official Universal Studios Hollywood Pass Member Park Takeover. We had so much fun, I cannot even tell you. The DJs were fantastic. The ride wait times, with the exception of the studio tour, were incredibly short. Just a lot of fun. We've done it before. Free for Pass members. All you needed to do was register in advance. I don't believe they did it last year, but they've done it in years previous. So just keep an eye on the emails if you're a Pass member. The Pass Member Portal website, they'll give you the information for next time they do it. So much fun. A huge thank you to the entire crew here at Universal Studios Hollywood for a really great evening. And something we didn't mention before we actually went into the park, we ate at my favorite restaurant on City Walk, Vivo, one of my favorite places to eat here at the entire resort. The food is always absolutely delicious, so make sure you check that out. Vivo and our service, fantastic tonight. So that is it from Universal Studios Hollywood. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, it helps us out significantly if you just hit that subscribe button. Costs you nothing. We don't get any of your information, doesn't lock you into a contract, just helps us out in creating additional videos. So if you liked it, thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you'd like to. We'll see you soon here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We'll be back shortly for a update on Halloween Horror Nights construction and some other things around the park.